What's good, people? B Money in the house. So, the last home improvement video I put up was the fireplace build. As you can see, I mounted a 70-inch TV on top of my fireplace. Um, so, I'm going to be getting custom cabinets built on both sides of the fireplace. I'm waiting. The cabinet builder's going to come this weekend and do the measurements for me. Um, I also put up LED lighting in this room. So I put up 14 3-inch LED lights. So as you can see, 14 3-inch LED lights, and they are dimmable. So turn it up. I can turn it all the way down. So these are dimmable lights. Uh, so I got 12 controlled by one switch, and I got two that are flanking the TV fireplace. So they have their own switch. So it's still a little messy in here because I have tools and stuff in here. I'm still doing some finishing work. But yeah, I mean, that's it. Just showing you my home improvement project for the COVID lockdown or whatever. I'm keeping myself busy doing home improvement jobs. With that, I say peace.